Let's talk about when transitions cause dysregulation and what you can do about it. First of all, we all know we have too many transitions in our day. So I'm going to do something I call transition triage. If you have kids that are unraveling because there's too many transitions, and let's face it, we have some classrooms where every 20 minutes, they might even be physically going to another room for whatever it is they need to be taught, or, different staff coverages or whatever it is you might be dealing with. If we triage those transitions, we're going to find that we could eliminate a couple of those and really look at what is the real focus this child needs to be doing right now. And could we take out a couple of those transitions and stay where we are on this one concept? So for example, if I'm going to this group for this and that group for that and this group for that because it's what I need in my curriculum intervention, ask yourself, do I need all three? Or if I stayed longer in this one, would the need for the other two be really necessary? So think about triaging those transitions so you can help to calm that level of dysregulation that they might create. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.